Welcome back to the HTML beginner series. In the last video, we learned about HTML styles. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel for more videos. So you get turn on the notification button so you get a notification anytime I drop a new video about this series or for our next future series. That is, after this HTML series, we are moving on to another CSS series. So you guys will know how to program a particular web page professionally. So today we are going to explore two important topics. Yes, we are covering two important topics: HTML text formatting and HTML comments. Let's dive in. Here's the theory part for text formatting. I hope you understand. HTML provides special tags for like provide special tags to format text. When we are talking about text formats, that is, this HTML have special tags to do the work for us. These don't just change how text looks, they can also add meaning. That is, they don't they don't just change the look, they add meaning to what we are using it to do. Hope you understand. Here are some commonly used formatting tags. We have our B tags used for bold text, strong important text. We have our I tags used for italic text, emphasized text, mark highlighted text, smaller text, deleted text, insert inserted text, subscript, sub superscript. That is, they are used for rise text, often for math or footnotes. For lower text, and we have the meaning and everything is written here already. So now I think we need to move on to the practical aspect. So we are moving on to the practical demo of text formatting. Now I'm heading to my HTML. I'm heading to my Virtual Studio Code where I'll be showing you guys how each text works. And this is our bold, this is our important text, this is our emphasized text, this is our highlighted, this is our smaller, this is our delete text, this is our sub, and we have another one here again. So now I'm opening this in using my live server so we can preview it inside our browser. Now, as you can see, you see, each and every one of them are like have their meaning. Now, this is a bold text. This is important text. This is italic text. This is emphasized text. This is highlighted text. This is smaller text. This is deleted text and inserted text. Have you seen that? Have you seen the difference? What they show us here, sorry, they shows us something here, say deleted and insert. So now, based on what is here now, we have something, it has been deleted, they cancelled it, and they inserted this one, just underline it. And this is H2O written without subscript. I hope you understand. That is, with this H2O, with the meaning of H2O in chemistry, we know is that water. This is how they can place it. If you want to use your HTML to write something like this, you can use it here. So, and this is 10 raised to power 2 written with superscript. That is, with the help of this, they have already told us here that they are used for maths or footnotes. I hope you understand. So that's that about text formatting. So the theory part for here is the theory part for our HTML comments. HTML comments are used to leave notes in your code. They don't appear on the web page, only in the source code. Syntax, here is the syntax that they use for use your angle bracket, then your this, and add this, anything that you want to insert it and also close it with this. That's all. Anything that you want to write, it will not appear in your web pages. Comments are useful for exploring code, organizing section, or temporarily disabling code. I hope you know that if you don't want any section to work, you can usually comment it out. It will not work on your web pages. So now we are moving on to the practical aspect for our HTML comment also. Now, what I need to do here, I have it on my clipboard already. I'm cleaning this, I'm placing it. This is a comment. It won't be visible on the web page. Welcome to my website. This is a normal paragraph. And I have another one here. P, this paragraph is commented out and won't show on the web page. So I'm going to show us how that really works now. As you can see, with everything that we are written in our Virtual Studio Code, in our HTML file, we only have welcome to my website, and this is a normal paragraph. That's all, because we have already comment out. We use our comment tags. so that we comment out this code so it won't be visible to us. Now, if I want to comment it out, let me just give it like this. You will see something I've already added to our website. That is, the paragraph is commented out and won't be shown on the pages. That is, I've removed the comment already. I've removed the comment. That's why we have it here. If I let me just give it back the comment, you see nothing will be shown. We have nothing to be shown. I hope you guys see now. So that's how text formatting and HTML comment works. That if you want to comment something out on your website, you can easily comment it out. So for any other person reading through your code, we understand that this is what you want to do here. This is what you are trying to do here. In conclusion, now you know how to use HTML text formatting tags to style and add meaning to text, and how to use HTML comment to leave notes in your code. These tools make your web page easier to read and your code easier to manage. Yes, they make everything easy for other people to read, and it will make it easy for you to manage it in time of adding a comment. Maybe you have a long code that you have written, but you are trying to get a point that, okay, I make use of something like this here in one area, but you couldn't find it because you don't add a comment. If you add a comment, you can quickly search for it, what you used for the comment, and it's going to pop up. This is what we are going. I hope you understand. So in the next video, we will move on to HTML colors, where we will style our text and background with different colors. With that, we can have different kind of colors. HTML have a lot of color. How you can apply colors to your website. So in the next video, we are exploring that. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment to keep learning with us. If you are new here, I will advise you to subscribe to this channel so it will make it easy for you to follow us with what we are learning. Thanks for watching.